Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll share with you two different methods to convert your images to PDF with the help of Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. For the first method, all we have to do is just drag and drop your images in Photoshop. As you do that, the images will be displayed in different documents. Now, to export all these as PDF, get back to page 1. Go to File, Automate and choose PDF Presentation. As you click here, this dialog box will appear. Here, click on Add Open Files. All the documents which are open will be displayed here. You can drag and arrange them as per your sequence. Now, in the Save As, make sure Multi-Page Document is selected. With these settings, click on Save. Choose your destination, name your document and click on Save. Click Save PDF and your images will be converted into a PDF document. For the second method, just open a single image in Photoshop. Unlock your background layer by clicking on this lock icon. Now, right-click on the layer and choose Artboard from Layers. Hit OK. As you do that, your canvas will be converted into an artboard. Click on the artboard and here you will see this plus icon on each side. Click on it. As you do that, a new artboard will be generated. Similarly, add the number of artboards as per your PDF. Now, just drag and drop or import all the images in the document. Move each image to different artboards. Make sure it is in the same sequence as you want your PDF to be. When done, go to File, Export and choose Artboards to PDF. Here, choose your destination, name your file and select multi-page document with the quality at 12. Hit Run. Now, let Photoshop do its work and in no time, it will convert your images into a well-crafted PDF document. If you find this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.